Hello. This video I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite softwares to use for like productivity and whatnot. It's Google Keep. This software is really helpful. Basically if I just click on this, I can make a note, and basically I could just write like a title, and then I could like write anything in the note section. I'll just type note here. You'd color it, so you could like choose from all these color. You can also like share, you can basically share your note with other people, so that's pretty cool. You can add images, you can just archive it, so it'll go in here. These are all the options too. You could show checkboxes. You could also set like reminders, so let's say I go here and click hide checkboxes. If I just want a note without checkboxes, I could just write something random, and then I could remind myself like anytime here, or I could pick something here. Another really cool feature is they could pick like where it'll remind you, so it'll like ask to access your location and whatnot. But yeah, it's really cool, and you could also like pin the note, so even if you make like other notes, that'll go below, but those will always stay up there. You could also like copy it to Google Docs, which is cool. You can also add these to like certain labels. So let's say I just want to, for example, add this to shopping, and I have a new label called shopping. Then when I click close, I could look here, there's shopping. All the notes, whether they're pinned or not, will show up here. This is basically where I put like all of my notes. If there's something that I want to look at often, then I'll just pin it here. I rarely use the images, but every now and then I do. I find this overall is very useful for like school as well, because I can make different labels for each class. That's one thing that I've done. And yeah, that's about it. It's really useful. I hope you found this video useful as well. Thanks for watching.